This is how I used to look during my MBA days, around 15 years back, say 2010-11. Then as I gave birth, I have 2 children now. I put on weight, which I couldn't shed. I had constant body shaming by some people and not able to fit into my old clothes, and many health issues like fatty liver, irregular and painful periods, severe mood swings. I was so scared of my periods. I used to have bleeding for 11 days and with lot of clot. I used to go numb due to the bleeding, and very, very painful with the loose stool due to stomach ache. It's like I used to spend the day in the washroom itself. Never wanted to come out. That has seen improvement very much. It's reduced to 4 days now with almost no pain, and the clots also has reduced, bleeding too, and I'm able to work on these days. No tension that, my periods is approaching and I cannot go anywhere, I cannot dress up, I cannot attend, I cannot be with my family, nothing as such. My skin had lot of blemishes, acne and all. Now I've got compliments that I look 20 years young. Somebody, they told, mom has become a daughter today. I actually did crash courses like intermittent fasting, and online they sell these instant weight loss medicines. I lost weight immediately. I was not told how to maintain the weight. I gained the weight. When I got married too, I was around 62 kilos or something like that. Especially this weight loss helped me not only physically but psychologically as well. So I'm happy. All the food, whatever the diet I'm going through, it's available in the kitchen. You don't have to buy anything fancy or very expensive. That is one. No medicines. Sessions which you do every Saturdays, these sessions have motivated me to, keep going. The availability of the habit coach 24/7. The food which I have, the diet is not time consuming, not any fancy thing. I could accept the fact easily that, this can be my lifelong diet. In fact, my kids are also, they started having salads along with me. And now we have a fight to save the salad for me. Everybody, my husband, my kid, they share my diet with me. This diet now is not only for me, for the entire family as well. So I need not prepare anything extra or special for myself. My husband was advised for the fatty liver, and he saw that there is an improvement in my health, my skin and all this things. He's like, okay, let me try. He started having along with me, and he saw a great improvement in his acidity, gastric and all these things. His waistline is also reduced considerably, and he doesn't feel sleepy after lunch. He is more energetic now. Thanks to Rustic Wisdom for coming into this world, for helping people like us.